Hello and welcome to Picking Principles. Today I have this little dimple lock, and it's interesting. If you look at the bitting on the key, you can see that there's 5 pins on the side, but there are also 6 pins across the top. I've got it in my vise, laying down. You can see that it does work. The tail piece, it's pretty stiff, you can see. The tail piece is bumping into the rubber plates here, but there's no other way to really mount it. I've got it laying down in the vise because I find that I need it kind of in here, nice and tight, in order to pick. So let me move this over and see. I'm sure that's going to get in the way. Let me see what I can do. Sorry about moving everything around here. Oh, that is not going to work probably, right? All right, so I'm going to start by picking the pins on the side using my hook number 3. If I can get this tensioner out of the way. All right, start at the back. That's the bottom of the lock. There's 5, it's binding. Little click there with a tiny little bit of movement. Nothing on 4, 3, 2, or 1. Let me see that again. Oh, got a little bit there. Yep, got a little bit out of 1. There. You might have seen some more movement on the core. All right. Let's switch up tensioning. And now I'm going to attempt to use this Jimmy Long's low profile 19,000s flat hook in order to set those top pins. So nothing on 1, 2, 3, little click out of 4, little click out of 5, nothing on 6, back to the top, nothing on 1, 2, 3, oh, there's a click out of 3, 4, 5, 6 feels like, yep, little click out of 6, back to the top. Oh, stuck right here on 2 and 1, got me the open. All right, so definitely unorthodox. Sorry for all the camera movement. Ooh. But there we have it. Little dimple picked. I'm not going to gut it with the pins on the side and the pins on the top. Probably very difficult to gut without a gutting disaster. But doesn't look, well, I really don't know if it'd be difficult. So this right here looks to me like all it does is change whether it's going to rotate clockwise or counterclockwise. There's the stop. Oh, it's locked up now. But with the key, I can show you how that works. So it rotates until the stop hits there or there. I can pull off this screw and I can move that so that it rotates the other way if I needed to for a cabinet. But anyway, it's a nice little lock. It was very difficult to figure out, even though the very first time I got it, I picked it in moments, just using a flag, I believe, but I was mostly just bouncing around in here blind, and I think I got lucky. Now I've kind of figured the lock out and can feel things. The key to this one, it turns out, was really being gentle. So when I was picking right here, like just looking for the slightest little movement, if we look at that key, I think I also got lucky. So pin 1 and pin 5 on the side are the ones that gave me rotation. 2, 3, and 4 look like they were 0 lift. And if we look at the top of the key, the bitting, I did get some movement out of 6 and 2, I think, but really 3, 4, and 5 were the ones I really had to lift in order to get some movement. So Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe. Comments and suggestions appreciated below. And thanks, everybody. Have a great day.